Alright, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I will be unboxing the TP-Link AX3000 dual band gigabit Wi-Fi 6 router, also known as the Archer AX50. I had a little bit of camera trouble, so most of these are still images and not movie clips, but I wasn't going to let that stop me. Next time I'll probably get a camera. Anyway, there are other people I live with that have many Wi-Fi devices, and sometimes when we are all connected simultaneously at any random time throughout the day, our connection has been dropping, which makes sense because of the package we have and the age of the router we've been using. So I picked this up because, well, this Wi-Fi 6 technology, it's G5 capable. It handles a lot more devices simultaneously, especially when you have people with several laptops and tablets and phones and all this going on, and you need a stable connection. So that is partly why I chose this model that suits the service plan that we have here, and a few other things I will go into. But for now, we'll just focus on the packaging because this is the unboxing part, and by the end of the video, I can show some speed test results on the benefits we have received from this. Alright, so with that, let's go on to the next slide. Alright, so here is the back of the box if you are curious. And then, here's one side of the box if you're still curious. And here is the other side of the box, which you could probably get a better picture of on the web. So here's what's inside the box. The manual and all the parts with it. Here's the little security card with your codes written on the other side of it. Here it is all out of the packaging. And then, here it is outside of the package itself. Here is where I start pulling back the plastic. Now, the video wasn't working, so you have to imagine the sound of the plastic being peeled back. If that is something you like to do, it's also good to remember to use your imagination. I apologize for my video not working well, but there we go, almost at the end of it. And we'll start the other side now. And oh, but that's all we got that time. Maybe there'll be a little more, who knows? Oh, and we're back to still frame. I hope you can imagine that plastic peeling back. Oh, and that's it, but I'll try to be quiet if we get any more. Did you hear that? Oh, wow. Okay, so next was the antennae, and that was no fun at all. So let's get on to the rest of the device. So here are my speed test results after installing the router to my modem. And this is with other devices online, watching videos and connecting to meetings. Now, the benefit here is that my speed no longer dips while other people are accessing, our connection. So if you have a living situation where you're just with people that have multiple Wi-Fi devices everywhere, this enables it so that every device gets the same plan that you're paying for instead of it being divided up. All our phones now get about the same speed. It's probably just under 300 megabytes now, and before that it was about maybe 75 to 100 on our phones. And some of these phones are not Wi-Fi 6 capable yet. So not only does this help the efficiency of the older technology, the new stuff that might be coming out is also a benefit you're investing in. So I'll keep this a short video. That's about it, really. This is a good router to choose if you've got many Wi-Fi devices and you need to manage them all. There's a phone app you download for TP-Link, and it's different than using the web interface. But you can sign into it through the web as well. I remember I heard some videos out there about that not being a thing yet, but the other day I signed in through my web service to also access TP-Link. So, but there's more features on the app. It's like they divide things up like how they work on your modem. All right. Well, anyway, with that, thanks for watching my videos. I hope this was informative and helpful, and I will leave a link in the description to an Amazon affiliate link. If I can earn $1, that's always a good thing. Thanks for watching my videos, everybody. Bye-bye.